Once upon a time, in a faraway land, lived a king with his 12 beautiful daughters. Every night, their bedroom door was locked and guarded, yet every morning, their dancing shoes were found worn out. It was as if they had danced all night long. The king was puzzled and offered a great reward. He offered it to anyone who could discover the princess's secret. Many princes and noblemen tried, but none succeeded, for they would fall asleep and wake up no wiser than before. One day, an old soldier, wounded in battle, heard of the king's decree. He decided to try his luck. On his way to the castle, he met an old woman who gave him a magical invisibility cloak and advice. She advised, "Drink no wine that the princesses offer you, and pretend to be fast asleep." The soldier thanked her and went to the castle. The king welcomed him, and the soldier was given a room next to the princess's chamber. That evening, the eldest princess brought him a cup of wine. Remembering the old woman's words, the soldier secretly poured it away. He then pretended to fall into a deep sleep. The princesses, thinking he was asleep, giggled and prepared for their adventure. The eldest princess clapped her hands, and a secret trapdoor opened in the floor. All 12 princesses descended into the passage, with the soldier, invisible in his cloak, following closely behind. They walked down a long staircase, and soon found themselves in a magical forest. The trees had leaves of shimmering silver, then sparkling gold, and finally, dazzling diamonds. The trees had leaves of shimmering silver, then sparkling gold, and finally, dazzling diamonds. The trees had leaves of shimmering silver, then sparkling gold, and finally, dazzling diamonds. The soldier, as proof, broke off a twig from each type of tree. They continued their journey until they reached a magnificent lake. 12 small boats, each with a handsome prince, waited for them. The princesses stepped into the boats, and the soldier, unseen, slipped into the boat of the youngest princess. The princes rowed them across the lake to a grand castle, where music played and a magnificent ball was in full swing. Inside the grand castle, the princesses danced with the princes until their shoes were completely worn out. As dawn approached, the princes rowed them back across the lake. The soldier, still invisible, returned with them. He took a golden cup as another piece of evidence. They climbed back through the secret passage, and the princesses went to bed. They were exhausted but happy. The next morning, the king summoned the soldier. "Have you discovered my daughter's secret?" he asked. The soldier bowed and recounted everything he had seen, presenting the silver, gold, and diamond twigs. He also presented the golden cup as proof. The king was astonished and overjoyed. He asked the soldier which of his daughters he wished to marry. The soldier chose the eldest princess. They were married that very day, living happily ever after. The other princesses also found their true loves and lived happily. Moral story 1. The power of observation. Just like the soldier, who paid close attention to details and used his wits, we can learn a lot by observing the world around us. Being observant helps us understand situations better and find solutions to problems. It teaches us to be mindful and curious. Moral story 2. Honesty is the best policy. The soldier was honest with the king about what he discovered, and his honesty was rewarded. Imagine if he had kept the secret. Honesty builds trust and strong relationships. Even when it's difficult, telling the truth is always the right thing to do. Moral story 3. The value of perseverance. Many tried to solve the mystery of the dancing princesses and failed, but the soldier persevered. He didn't give up, and his determination led him to success. When we face challenges, it's important to keep trying, even if things seem hard at first. Perseverance helps us achieve our goals. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this story and these moral lessons, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. For more enchanting tales and valuable lessons, see you next time.